Alright, beginning of our vlog, beginning of our trip, not so good at all. That's not even the full scale of it. There's like 4 loops we have to do. We got here 2 hours early, which is normal for international flights, and it looks like we probably still won't even make our flight.
It's supposed to be 3 hours.
Huh?
It's supposed to be 3 hours.
What is?
International flights are 3 hours.
Yeah, but who gets there 3 hours?
I do.
Okay, well, we didn't get here 3 hours before. We got here 2 hours before. We also had some traffic to deal with, but because the funding has been cut off for a lot of the airline workers, a lot of them just didn't come in. We might not make this flight, sadly. Not quite sure what to do here. My whole plan coming into this airport was to just do what I normally do. We check our bags, go through security, and then immediately get food. We'd be lucky to even get on the flight at this point. So yeah. Damn, your haircut looks sick on this angle. Not gonna lie. We're not making it? What are the odds, actually?
1 out of 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay.
1 out of 3. Guys, I don't think you understand what just happened. All right, let me explain. All right. So we were here, I think 2.5 hours before the flight, right? Okay. Yeah, 3 hours before the flight, we had this absurd line. So I was talking to you guys about that earlier. We get to the gate. Obviously, at this point, we feel like the plane's just gone. The plane is still randomly here for some other issue that has nothing to do with us. So we somehow manifested a delay of the plane. But the lines were so long, it was already gone. Like the plane was supposed to be gone when we were still downstairs, going through security. But okay, and then okay, so we get to the gate, right? And then we're like, okay, the plane's still attached. The hook thing is still attached to the plane. So then we're like, okay, that's weird. That shouldn't be the case, right? The plane shouldn't still be here. And it kept delaying little bit by little bit, but it was already boarded. And when a plane is boarded fully, you can't board the plane anymore because they've already counted for everyone in there. The manifest already says who's on the plane. You can't just re-add a name. So obviously we can't get into the plane. Then some guy comes out and immediately Katie jumps him. Right? Katie's like, yo, okay, you have to get me on this plane. How will we get on this plane? He's like, whoa, chill. Let me go talk to inside. First guy comes back, says sorry. My supervisor said no. Then some random worker, we jump him. Katie starts following him around until Katie starts following him around. He's like, let me check if the thing is still attached. Katie's behind him on his ass. The guy explained to us. He said, look, the only way that this plane is gonna go with you is if it deplanes. The problem in there is so big that it deplanes and it has to reboard because that's how they'll reaccount for everyone coming back in. And it's right before I started this vlog, they literally just announced the plane is going to be deplaning, and we all just cheered. I don't know. I guess I got to start believing. So now I got to start believing in God if I get on this plane and we fly and make it there safely, because
nothing's 100% yet.
Nothing's 100%, but it's looking. It was 5% before. Now it's
67.
Yeah, 60. That's unreal because we were changing all our plans. We're okay, our next flight, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about the 3 days we booked? Because the next flight was on the 22nd. Right now it's the 17th. So it's 5 days wasted. That means 5 days worth of hotels, the flights themselves, which might not get reimbursed. So that was over 9 or 10K that we'd have lost just on this trip if we don't get on this plane. So it's kind of insane how things are turning out. But yeah, that's the update right now. I don't really know what else to say. I'm actually blown away.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to Karen your way through life.
You did. You low-key did, but you didn't Karen that hard. You were just a genuinely concerned citizen.
No, but I was literally can I talk to your manager? Can I talk to your manager? Where is he? Tell him to come out.
She's, they're deplaning. Look. They're all coming out. This is the first time a deplaning has actually, I don't know, I've never had this happen to me, guys. I've flown 500 times in my life. This is the most unreal, I'm gonna tell this story forever, I think.
Oh my god.
Yo, oh my god. Yo, me and Sam wanted karma on our side so bad. We started randomly just stacking those, do you know those security lines? Those baskets that come by? The ones you have your stuff in? There was hella.
Good job, guys.
And we started stacking them. That was actually me and Sam, low-key.
Why are you doing that? Don't do it. it's not
And then
your
they literally
deal. You don't have to do it. And he was like, good karma.
Yeah, literally. I stacked like 6 in a row. Like I work here now.
Oh, that's sad.
But yeah. Update number 2. We're finally on the flight. About 4 hours later. 7 hours later. Sorry, I lost track of time at this point. But finally headed to, actually boarded to go to Japan. Very happy to have finally boarded. There were a lot of problems, guys. Even the second plane had issues. I don't know what the issues were, but a new crew had to come in, essentially. So, yeah, all in all, happy we were going to make it on the day 1. Didn't have to lose 3-4 days of potential traveling plans. And then, have to fly out later. So glad we're flying out today, even though we had a lot of issues. And that's about it.
So happy to be on this plane.
Why'd you have to go so quick?
We want to talk about.
Bye, guys. Peace.
Boys,
Oh my god. Let me hold it. Hey boys. We have made it through customs with Selena.
boys. We made it through customs with Selena.
And guess who's not here?
Yeah, John got stopped for whatever reason.
Wouldn't take his picture. Now he's in customs.
Yeah, so now we have
got
to
his back.
Wait for him.
just wait.
It's 12:30 a.m. guys.
And I really had to take a big due.
That's disgusting.
And our hotel's 30 minutes away.
We've landed. Everyone's very, very excited.
We know we landed, buddy.
Oh, yeah. You guys know we landed. Well, I made it. So,
We made it.
yeah. They didn't ask too many actually, they didn't ask any questions. They just said, okay. So, good to go. I'm not sure why it wasn't working. Probably because of the camera issue. But, yeah, made it through. And now we're going to head to our hotel. We're exhausted. I had to poop so bad, guys. I don't have any idea how bad that is shit. That's it. Now we go. Okay, bye. Alright. We are finally at our hotel. We just checked in.
It is 2 a.m.
It is 2 a.m. as well. We've had a 32-hour travel day, technically. And here we go. You guys will get a first look with us. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Hey, yo.
Put it on.
And they already set up the bags for us. We didn't bring these in. Very, very cool. W Hospitality. What is happening? This view is unreal. Yeah, we're here. We're here. Finally excited to get settled in. Like I said, we had a 32-hour travel day, so been a long day for us. A lot of shit happened, obviously. We've kept you up to date, thankfully. To the right is that view right there that we just showed you, and then if you go left is the bedroom. The view is insane as well. Very, very, very happy. I mean, come on, guys, look at this. And so we're not really gonna settle in all that much. We're immediately going to get food since it's 2 a.m. and we haven't really eaten anything except airplane food. We're gonna get Lawson's. Wait, what are those lights, by the way? Look at these, man. I don't know what's happening down there. I don't know if you guys can, if it catches on the camera. Oh yeah, let's take a picture of that. Like sandwich.
No? Uh-oh. Don't sandwich my
What's up, Lawson's?
Other Lawsons.
Oh, he's getting ice cream.
100%. Haagen-Dazs. That's what we used to get. When we came 4th place.
What'd you guys get?
I'm still getting stuff.
I got ramyun, banana milk, and onigiri.
Yeah. Those are the Korean ones.
Not bad. Not like the egg one, but not bad. This is the view I'm waking up to this morning. Isn't that crazy, man? Yeah, it's mine and Selena's anniversary.
Hello.
Yeah, we're about to get ready for our first day. We are headed to Ginza, which is like a shopping place. I need new comfortable shoes, so I'm gonna have to buy these comfortable. What are they called? Asuka Tigers. Anesuka Tigers. So I need to get those because Selena already has a pair and she can walk around forever. I need a pair that I can walk around in because I have my Air Forces just aren't doing it for me. Like my feet were hurting yesterday with so much walking. So that's gonna be our first stop. We get comfy shoes, get in them, and then after that we're gonna get lunch, maybe udon, maybe something else. We don't know yet. We're gonna plan for the day. A little bit of a shopping day with Sam and Katie and Selena, myself, and then we're going to a birthday dinner for me. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, check out this view, dude. Alright, this is our fit. You guys like how I look? That's your streamer, you guys can't hate.
So handsome.
Thanks. Very pretty.
Thank you.
So Sam is now coming over and we're about to head out. Very excited because it's our first day in Japan. Like I said, I was gonna take you guys through everything. So I'm gonna do my best to do that. Selena's gonna remind me to vlog when I'm not. Check out this view, guys. Look where I am. I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you for putting us in the position to be able to do this. I'll always give you guys shout outs for that. So thank you.
Hey boss, me and John. I know you didn't expect me to hold the camera, but ask John. Currently like 10 a.m. We're hammered. We're hammered. We're going on the train. We're gonna go shopping. See how it goes. Honestly,
This is like the third time
Tell
they've
them
gone
where
to
we're
something,
going.
but I'm gonna keep it
Tell them where
vlog.
we're going. We're going to Onitsuka Tiger
yeah.
for some shoes. Okay, bye.
So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
The boyfriend. Pretty much.
Yeah, my size wasn't there. Actually, Katie's size wasn't there either. So unlucky, but there's 4 more stores that are exactly the same with different themes. If we can't get lucky in 5 stores, it's not meant to be. Yeah. Wow, Sam. Oh, friend. No. Nah, I'm good.
Happy
I'm
birthday.
good. I'm good.
Our Sony ambassador.
Wow. That's me. No, okay.
Yeah, but yeah.
Is it because, you know what I mean?
I don't know, probably.
Maybe they're just not like huge. First meal? First meal in Japan? Here we go. What is it called? Huh?
It's restaurant Muji Hotel.
Okay. I don't know what this is exactly called, but here we go.
Like a bento box.
What is that? Oh, 맛있겠다.
And they got the same thing as I did. Take the meat.
To be careful.
Dip it in the egg like that. Mmm. Nom nom.
Massage.
Ooh, a head massage. That would low-key hit.
Yeah, it is
Wait.
massage.
Low-key hit.
Oh, I get the set?
Oh, it's so bad.
I mean, basically the same as the airport.
From Mount Fuji.
Hey, yo, this is actually lit.
Get it. Buy it. I want to try it.
I told them to come here.
That pressure is good. It's also the most expensive. But that is the most expensive. Wait, this one's also good.
You like this one? Where are we?
I smell. We're at omakase. The first one I've been to ever.
We're at the omakase. Oh yeah, we will.
Yeah, there's a lot of places like that. So
Tuna roll with an egg on top, but it looks like a little tomato inside.
It's just egg. It explodes in your mouth.